G'day and welcome back to Rusty Inspirations. Alrighty, so today's plan of attack is to give the front and back lawn a height reset. Now what is it? It's the end of February. I'm generally very confident about when I do lawn renos and height resets, but I must admit I'm a little bit nervous. For the main reason is the weather has just been so unpredictable lately. I have no idea how far I'm going to go with it. I don't know whether I'm going to hit it with the rotary or the cylinder mower. I'm just going to wing it, and yeah, I'll take it down, and when I've had enough I'll stop, but that's the plan. We'll see how we go. It isn't really a plan, I guess. Alright, so as I said in the last video, I'm not 100% happy with how it is. I mean, it's not crazy, it's just I'd like it to be a little bit better. We've got a bit of scalping going on. It's getting a little bit hard to mow in places and leaving some unsightly lines around the place. Like I said in the last video, I'm pretty confident there's more than enough warm weather left in this growing season to get this looking really good again. I'm hoping. I'll have a look at the front lawn before we get into it. All right, so there we have it. All in all, it's not looking too bad from this angle, if I do say so myself. Ignore the wobbly lines, but it's definitely getting thick and spongy. If I don't do anything now, by the end of the growing season, it's going to be an absolute pain to mow, and it's just not going to be looking the way I want it to look. So if I'm going to do it, I think I've got to do it right now. Quick update on the Briggs & Stratton that I had issues with hydro locking. It's going good. I think that filter was definitely the problem, because I have not had a problem with it since. Let's kick this thing in the guts and get into it before we run out of daylight. Alright, so we've got that last little bit to go, and then we'll go the opposite direction. Off just with the groomer alone. Now I'm thinking I'm going to go over it with the cylinder mower, just for the fact is I don't have a catcher for that thing or another rotary mower to suck it up. So I have a crack with the cylinder mower, and then we'll pick up what we cut off. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Fair to say that that is a lot thatchier than I originally thought.
Like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
I definitely want to take a lot more than that off, so I reckon we'll mow this up, we'll go over it with a groomer, and then hit it again.
You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever want to set me free. you know I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Right, I must admit, I'm extremely surprised as to how green it still is. We took quite a fair bit off, actually. Come and have a look how much is in the trailer. Fair old whack in there, just for a height reset. So, the next question is, do I do another groom and another pass, or do I leave it at that? Decisions. All right, so I'm thinking one more lap with the groomer on the diagonal and go over it one last time. See how green it's looking after that. Hope I'm not making a big mistake.
And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Right, so I think it's fair to say that we cut the green out of it this time. Although there's still a lot of green bits around, so I'm pretty confident this will come back within a couple of weeks. I'm hoping. See some spots where well and truly down to the sand, whereas some spots like this here are still quite green. I'm thinking that will do for the back lawn. Now I've just got to do the front lawn. Speaking of which, not sure where we're going to fit the clippings for the front lawn. I'm sure we'll work it out. So there we have it, 8 days later. It's coming back slowly but surely. Now, I had stopped applying plant growth regulator prior to doing this height reset, obviously because I knew I wanted to do this. And I was trying to time it. I landed on the 190 growing degree days. And I was hoping that that surge of growth might have helped bring it back quicker after the scalp. Don't know for a fact if it works like that, but it's just this theory that I was thinking, and if anyone knows, be sure to let me know. But I'd had a decent surge of growth probably about 2 days beforehand, so I might have even missed that window. But yeah, it's looking good. I'm glad I've got the back one. And there we have the back lawn. Not too bad from this angle. Not too bad at all. Got quite a bit of warm weather on its way, so I think over the next week or so we'll definitely see an awesome recovery. I'm a little bit more confident now than I was a week ago, that's for sure. I've now mowed this twice since I scalped it 8 days ago, and I've also applied some 2-spec granular fertilizer, and I'm very happy with the progress. So let me know what you think. Would you call that a height reset, or would you go more on the lines of a mini reno? I'm going with height reset, but interested to hear what you'll think. But that's about all we got time for today, so if you like the video, please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers, legends. Look at some of the brown spots. There's still quite a lot of green in there even, so no, I think it's going to come back very, very well. I love the shadow that the palm trees cast over the lawn.